Yeah, hi, it's Matt here from Action Boating, and this is a pre-listing video for a 2006 Four Winds 378 that we have up for sale. The vessel has twin V8 big blocks and it is shaft drive. You can see there it's got electronic controls, autopilot, bow thruster and a GPS and sounder. The cockpit is super roomy. There's a nice L-shaped lounge with a good sized table aft. The engine hatch is electric and lifts straight up for easy access to the engine. You've got a couple of steps up to the helm area where you can seat another 3 people. And a great wet bar here that's got a fridge and also an ice maker. This vessel will be available for viewing in the next couple of weeks. It is currently getting an anti-foul and a detail, and as soon as that comes up, we'll let you know and send another video out. Pricing for this is going to be somewhere around the $210,000, and if you'd like some further information, please call us on 07 5564 1995. Thanks for watching.